doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 58 of GK, and the name of the chapter is Get Quizzing. So this chapter is all about a quiz जिसमें हमें कुछ questions और answers दिए हुए हैं that will help us to increase our knowledge. So शुरू करते हैं. The first one is who invented the light bulb? तो light bulb किसने invent किया था? So we all know this, that Thomas Alva Edison invented the light bulb. After that, the next question that we have is which state has the highest literacy rate in India? कौन सा ऐसा state है इंडिया का जिसमें highest literacy rate है, right? So the highest literacy rate in India is of the state named as Kerala. After that, which is the smallest bird in the world? तो world में सबसे smallest bird जो है वो कौन सी है? तो it is bee hummingbirds, as it is the smallest bird of the world. After that, who are the founders of Google? तो Google के जो founders हैं वो कौन-कौन है, right? So the first person is Larry Page and the second one is Sergey Brin. So they were the founders of Google. Next one, which is the largest continent? So we all know this कि largest continent जो है वो एशिया कंसिडर किया जाता है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. So Asia is the largest continent. After that, where were the last Olympic Games held and when? तो last Olympic Games जो हुए थे वो कब हुए थे और कहाँ हुए थे? So the answer is Tokyo, Japan in 2021. तो 2021 में Olympics हुए थे and they were held in Tokyo in Japan. After that, the next one is which is the longest river on Earth? तो Earth पर सबसे लंबी river जो मानी जाती है, it is the Nile River in Egypt, right? After that, next one is who is known as the Iron Man of India? तो Iron Man India का किसे कहा जाता है? We all know this, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. After that, which is the highest mountain peak in India? तो highest mountain peak जो है इंडिया में वो कौन सा है? So it is Kanchenjunga, as it is considered as the highest mountain peak in India. After that, India's largest freshwater lake is. अब इंडिया में कौन सी ऐसी लार्जेस्ट लेक है जिसमें फ्रेश वाटर मिलता है? सो इट इज बुलार्ड लेक, एज इट कंसिडर्स द फ्रेश वाटर. आफ्टर दैट, हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम? तो इंडियन न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम के फादर किसको कंसिडर किया जाता है? सो इट इज होमी जे भाभा. आफ्टर दैट, the next one, when Chandrayaan 3 landed successfully on Moon's South Pole. तो मून के साउथ पोल पर चंद्रयान 3 ने कब लैंड किया था, right? So it is 23 August 2023. After that, Thomas Cup is related to which sport? तो Thomas Cup जो है वो कौन से स्पोर्ट से रिलेट करता है, right? So it is badminton, as bad. Thomas Cup relates to the badminton. After that, who was known as the missile man of India? तो missile man of India किसको consider किया जाता है? It is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, as he is considered as the missile man of India. So that is it for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. I hope you all have learned a lot from this chapter and you got to know more questions, or you got to increase your knowledge by reading these questions. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.